Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into 15 high-quality, exam-style questions from Domain 2, Governance and Management of IT, part of the CISA certification exam. Each question follows ISACA's official structure, including a scenario, 4 answer options, the correct answer, and a clear explanation. Let's get started. Question 1. An organization integrates a third-party application into its core operations. During an audit, the IS auditor learns that the vendor is a startup and retains control of the application's source code. What is the most effective control to mitigate the risk of vendor unavailability? A. Vendor viability assessment. B. Software escrow agreement. C. Service level agreement with penalties. D. Contractual obligation for support. Correct answer, B. Explanation: a software escrow agreement ensures access to the source code if the vendor goes out of business, directly mitigating operational risk. Question 2. While reviewing an IT outsourcing agreement, the IS auditor notes that ownership of developed software tools is not clearly defined. What is the primary concern? A. The tools may not integrate with internal systems. B. Software updates may be delayed. C. Intellectual property disputes may arise. D. Support may be limited to business hours. Correct answer, C. Explanation: unclear intellectual property ownership can lead to legal and operational challenges. Question 3. While auditing a data processing vendor, the IS auditor finds they subcontracted sensitive tasks to another provider without informing the client. What should be the auditor's primary concern? A. Unauthorized access to confidential information. B. Delay in service delivery. C. Lack of data classification. D. Policy non-compliance. Correct answer, A. Explanation: subcontracting increases the risk of data breaches if not properly controlled and communicated. Question 4. The organization transitions to open system architecture. What is the primary benefit of this shift? A. Faster hardware procurement. B. Improved vendor negotiation leverage. C. Easier system interoperability. D. Reduced power consumption. Correct answer, C. Explanation: open systems promote compatibility across vendors and platforms using public standards. Question 5. An IS auditor notes that several IT projects began without approval from the IT steering committee. What is the greatest risk in this situation? A. Increased costs. B. Data leaks. C. Misalignment with business goals. D. Delays in execution. Correct answer, C. Explanation: without governance oversight, projects may not support strategic objectives. Question 6. An enterprise outsources help desk support. The IS auditor notices the contract lacks clear SLAs. What should the auditor recommend first? A. Renegotiate the contract. B. Add technical specifications. C. Define measurable SLAs. D. Perform a cost-benefit analysis. Correct answer, C. Explanation: SLAs define service expectations and ensure account. The CIO bypasses the IT steering committee to approve a major cloud migration. What is the primary risk? A. Vendor lock-in. B. Strategy misalignment. C. Resource overallocation. D. Software redundancy. Correct answer, B. Explanation: bypassing governance could result in IT initiatives that do not align with enterprise strategy. Question 8. An organization lacks a formal IT strategy plan. Which of the following is the most significant risk? A. Misuse of IT budget. B. Fragmented software licenses. C. Misalignment with business priorities. D. Staff turnover. Correct answer, C. Explanation: a missing IT strategy may cause IT to pursue efforts that don't support enterprise goals. Question 9. The IS auditor finds that multiple IT teams use their own risk registers. What is the best recommendation? A. Outsource risk reporting. B. Integrate into one enterprise-wide risk register. C. Train IT on risk quantification. D. Assign risk owners in each unit. Correct answer, B. Explanation: centralizing risk registers improves oversight, avoids redundancy, and aligns with governance best practices. Question 10. A mid-sized company lacks an IT steering committee. What is the primary risk? A. Slow system upgrades. B. Inconsistent IT procurement. C. Lack of IT business alignment. D. Inability to conduct penetration testing. Correct answer, C. Explanation: an IT steering committee ensures strategic alignment between IT investments and business goals. Question 11. During an audit, the IS auditor notes that IT performance reports are overly technical and ignored by executives. What is the best recommendation? A. Use high-level scorecards tied to business KPIs. B. Increase the number of metrics. C. Deliver reports quarterly. D. Use heat maps and charts only. Correct answer, A. Explanation: scorecards that link performance to business objectives are more meaningful to senior leadership. Question 12. A newly hired CIO wants to ensure that all IT investments deliver measurable value. What tool would best support this goal? A. Gantt chart. B. Balanced scorecard. C. Earned value analysis. D. SWOT analysis. Correct answer, B. Explanation: a balanced scorecard connects KPIs to business goals, helping track IT's contribution to value. Question 13. A company uses multiple vendors for IT services but lacks a vendor governance process. What is the primary concern? A. Contract inflation. B. Service inconsistency. C. Lack of vendor audits. D. Data silos. Correct answer, B. Explanation: without proper oversight, service quality and performance may vary significantly across vendors. Question 14. IT management regularly launches technology pilots without executive input. What is the greatest risk of this approach? A. Missed deadlines. B. Non-compliance with architecture standards. C. Wasted resources on low-value initiatives. D. Poor incident response. Correct answer, C. Explanation: unaligned projects may consume resources without delivering strategic value. The IS auditor discovers that key IT processes lack defined owners. What is the greatest consequence? A. Redundant documentation. B. Poor SLA compliance. C. Lack of accountability for performance. D. Delays in project approval. Correct answer, C. Explanation: without assigned ownership, no one is accountable for ensuring controls and outcomes. That wraps up 15 exam-style CISA questions from Domain 2, Governance and Management of IT. Let me know in the comments how many you got right. Thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe for more CISA prep content. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.